And this is how fast the flood starts moving. Once the tide comes up, there's a, where is that typhoon now?
Oh, it's by Vietnam and Laos.
Yeah, so we're gonna have 2 days of lots of storms because of the typhoon that's passing by. And when it's high tide in the river, the water can't drain out. See those big sewers? You can see the water from the river water flowing right underneath them.
Look, they're closing up shop. They're getting ready.
There they go. They're getting ready for it. Yesterday, it was so deep. These people were standing on crates and trying to swish all the water out of their house. It went all the way up to the level inside their house.
This is insane.
Yep, this is how fast it's going to start filling up. It'll be down there in just about a few minutes. Look at already right outside here. You can see the waves, see in the sewer there from underneath.
Oh yeah, you're right. Look at the current. Look how fast it's going. Give it another 10 minutes, babe. Watch. It's gonna be all.
Yeah, from the higher land, it just comes down.
Yeah.
They just cleared up all the mud from yesterday too, and all the debris that came floating down.
Everybody's getting all ready.
Yep. See that sewer? It's about to be covered. And they'll wait for the tide to go down for the water to drain out again. So it does drain, you know, after the tide goes down, but high tide, these folks are really dealing with a lot. Oh man, look at those motorcycles in the water over there.
The white one's about to go.
All the way down. It's like a river flowing now. And it's still dumping. And these people still work through it. This guy's got his delivery packages in there.
That's how they deliver shit. That's insane.
Uh-huh.
Of course you're gonna walk in front of the car.
Well, the car shouldn't come by right now. The front yard's filled now. This Grab guy's still delivering food.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get that squeegee out. Squeegee away the mud.
See with a mop.
They all have the squeegees. They're used to squeegeeing it, you know?
Yeah.
While the water's moving, they try to get the mud off.
Look how fast it went down.